In a dimly lit laboratory hidden from the world, the Russian sleep experiment began, shrouded in secrecy and plagued by the intrigue of human curiosity. The atmosphere was heavy with anticipation, the silent hum of scientific instruments filling the air. 5 political prisoners, lured by the promise of freedom, volunteered to stay awake for 15 endless days, their fate sealed behind an unyielding glass panel. As the experiment commenced, the once ordinary participants were subjected to a gas designed to prevent sleep, circulating the cold, sterile air. Their expressions grew taut, eyes widening with each passing hour, madness creeping in like an insidious fog. The room darkened as their sanities started to fray, and whispers of doubt and paranoia filled the stillness. The captives' once vibrant faces now reflected the slow erosion of their humanity. By the 5th day, the atmosphere had turned oppressive, a cacophony of despair and rage echoing through the steel walls. The subjects began to turn on each other, their fragile alliances shattering into fragments of insanity. Some screamed until their voices failed, while others pounded their fists against the walls in futile cries for release. Hunger and fear wove through their veins, blurring the lines between reality and nightmare. A week into the experiment, silence replaced the chaos, an eerie calm settling over the room. The once ferocious captives now sat motionless, eyes vacant, but gazes disturbingly focused on the unseen. The scientists observed through monitors, their anxiety mounting as they scanned for signs of life. The air felt colder, as if the very essence of life had been sucked out, the chilling aftermath of ceaseless torment. Days turned into a blend of horror as the boundaries of human endurance were pushed past breaking. On the 15th day, the silence shattered with an ominous crackle, a final attempt to retain sanity. When the researchers finally dared to open the chamber, they were met with a scene of visceral carnage. What remained of the prisoners defied recognition. Their bodies mutilated, sanity forsaken, the human turned to beast. In the aftermath, the room fell silent once more, a macabre tomb bearing witness to the horrific cost of pushing humans to their limits. The lab, once a site of eager scientific pursuit, became a place of dark legend, a whispered tale of caution. The Russian sleep experiment, a grim reminder of the terrifying depths of human endurance, stood testament to the fragile boundary between sanity and madness.